Sorry about that, YouTube. We're good. All right, we're good. September. It's September. Blockchain Backer was right. Yep. All credit to Blockchain Backer. Sold all my portfolio. Do you think it's a good call? I would recommend just holding. So, hello, Taxoneth something, healthy pullback, yeah. No audio on YouTube. Oh, on YouTube. I'm assuming you're talking about on YouTube. Okay. Fully liquidated 4 days ago. Ouch, man. No, I don't think it's good to sell all of your portfolio. That's crazy. Considered buying in yesterday. Glad I didn't. Yeah, good call. Just hold. Just hold. This had to happen. You know, we came really close to bouncing off that 20-week simple moving average, and that had to happen. I've been saying that for a while now. So, did I buy the dip? I bought like $1,000 of Ethereum. So I didn't tell any of you guys this. I sold about $11,000 of Ethereum when it was at 3,900 with the intention of buying back in. But that's like a tenth of my Ethereum. So, what's the deal on Ethereum 37.2? Not sure what you're saying. Again, for those of you on TikTok, I'm live on YouTube. I'm not going to be able to keep up with the comments, but I will be able to keep up with them on YouTube. Head over to World War Bitcoin on YouTube. So let's see. Thank you, Bob. Thinking about picking up some Matic. Think the dump's over. I could see us doing a double bottom, something similar to that. So another dip, it could. I did say September was going to be rough. Yeah, Jamie. And so maybe that was it. You know, maybe that was it. That was what we need. We needed to have that happen. And maybe that was it, and we're going to go up here. But my guess is that we'll see some kind of another dip down to somewhere around the 20-week simple moving average, which is like $43,000. And then we'll go higher. What should I buy? Want to invest around 10K? Ethereum and Litecoin. Should I buy now or wait a couple more days? I'm waiting. I am personally going to wait. So for all of you asking, should you buy or wait? Listen to me. I am waiting. So will it keep dropping? Double bottom possibly. When we'll be back on the bull run. September's going to be rough. I've been saying that for a while. September's going to be rough. So 2 Litecoin at 180. That sounds good. Mario, thank you. Yeah. Coinbase block purchase. Yep. Time to buy the dips. Yeah. Dead cat bounce, so we're going to head back to 3K. No, we're not heading back to 3K. That's ridiculous. What will Quant go down to? I have no idea what Quant's at. Why Litecoin? Because I've been saying Litecoin for a while now. Litecoin is going to outperform Bitcoin like crazy over the next few months. So, Quant didn't dip at all. Quant at 331. I mean, I know it got up to something like, Quant's awesome. So, Quant's already pumping, yep. Hey, CVO Crypto, you are the man. CVO Crypto called this too. So, we're not going into a bear market. Litecoin is not dead. Solana is also killing it. It's crazy. October is not going to be another bad month. No, October is going to be an awesome month. Coinbase was down. Yeah, Coinbase is down. Man, I'm barely. Hey, Nicholas Baxter, awesome. Glad. I'm barely able to keep up with the YouTube chat. Again, for those of you on TikTok, I'm live on YouTube. What are you talking about, Circles of Life? Yesterday claims going much higher very soon, said keep buying. Now he's saying called low. No, I did not. You are out of your mind. Watch my videos yesterday. You've got to be kidding me with that nonsense. Yeah, Quant doesn't care what the market does. Yeah. Costa Damas. Volume's very bullish. Good. That comment really pissed me off. All right, I'm live on YouTube. Head over to YouTube channel World War Bitcoin because I'm answering all the questions there. I'm trying to at least. There's a lot of questions. $2,000, wait till buy, and what should I buy? Ethereum and Litecoin. Coinbase was down before. Yeah, Coinbase is down. BlockFi was down. Quant is bionic. There we go. Would you recommend buying ETH at 3,000 to 3,200 range? That's not a bad idea. Yeah. I would be a buyer. I would be a buyer in general. Ease your way in right now. But I do think it'll go down a little bit more. So I don't know what you're talking about, Circles of Life. Listen, rewatch my videos. I don't know what you're talking about. I said that I still expected that there would be a dip. You've got to stop. You've got to stop. He called it pretty late. ETH didn't hit 4,200, but it hit 4,000. So buy Litecoin. Yeah, where do you see Cardano end the cycle? $8 or so. Percentage-wise, at the end of the bull run, what's better, Litecoin or Ethereum? I don't want to be holding any Litecoin at the end. So, yeah. Is it panic buying time right now? I'd wait a little bit. Del Kessie. ZK, love you too. Percentage, yeah, let's see. ETH and Quant may not bear for a while. Yeah. What price should I buy ADA and Matic? ADA, I don't know. Whatever price it got, whatever the low is today. What did Cardano get to? What did Ethereum get to? How low did those coins get to today when everything flash crashed? That's about a price where I would think, maybe try to get in again at that time. So, what am I snacking on? A muffin. Bought 2 Litecoin at 180. Going to wait for another dip to buy ETH and Bitcoin though. Yeah, good call. Just bought 900 ETH of yesterday. Ouch. Let's see. Have 2,000. What should I buy? Litecoin, Link, or Algorand? Litecoin. Bought over 2 Solana. Solana's killing it. So good. 20-week moving average for ETH. I don't know, Lee John. I don't know where ETH is. Why did they choose Bitcoin versus RSR for El Salvador? Because Bitcoin is it's the GOAT. So is there an explanation for today's sudden crash? Watch my 2 most recent TikToks. So what happened today? Something in the news. You got to watch my 2 most recent TikToks, Matt. Should I wait for Solana to drop lower to get in? I don't know. I mean, what's up with Solana? It's doing just fine. So maybe just get in. What price should I buy ADA and Matic? Same answer that I just gave. I would say, what did it bottom out at today? So that's what I would say. When will we see Bitcoin in the 20s? No, we're not going to see that. And I don't think we're going to go below $40,000. I don't even think we're going to wick below $40,000. So how would you split a 20K portfolio? 35% Ethereum, 25% Bitcoin. What's my prediction on when Litecoin fizzles out? I'm not sure what you mean by that, Wreck-It Cam, but I think at the end of this run, it's going to go like this. And that's when you sell. So you're welcome, Ruben. All right, so 35% Bitcoin, 35% Ethereum, 25% Bitcoin, spread the rest out among alts. So, oh, dude, ZK Pablo. Yeah, I did say September 6th. Oh, my goodness, it's September 7th. ETH touched 29. Will it go there again? It's possible. Yeah. Ruben, let's see, made profits on Quant and Solana Friday and put my money in stable. Only have 2 shares on Quant, bought them at 256. Excellent, that's great. Trying to buy some XLM and HBAR right now on Voyager. The order is labeled open and not going through. Ouch. Yeah, everything, BlockFi, Coinbase, they all froze. So, yeah, Nicholas Baxter, good, very good. What are the best buys with a discount? Ethereum and Litecoin. So Rose, I don't know what Rose is, Mateo. Ethereum price prediction for end of October. Oh, man, probably right around, end of October. No, man, maybe 5,000. Maybe higher than that. I don't know. Nice prediction. Not selling any of my Quant. Yeah, should I buy BNB? That wouldn't be a bad one to buy. You see it under $400, you should get in. So Theta, any prediction on Theta, like $50 or so? What are some alts that can go 5x when Bitcoin hits 65K? A lot of them. Litecoin. I've been saying that, but a lot of them. Yeah, the exchanges always freeze and parabolic moves. Litecoin prediction, 1,500, maybe 2,000. Best time to buy Litecoin and ETH. Again, I'm waiting. I could see a double bottom happen. I hope that was it and we go much higher. But think about in May, okay? Think about what happened in May when we dipped to 29K really quickly. We bounced back up to 37,000 or something like that, and then we bled away and went back down to 20K. No, sorry, to 30K. Got really close, and then we did see 29K 2 more times, and I could see something similar happening this time around. Maybe not 2 more times, but 1 more time, where we go back down to those levels of $43,000 or so before shooting up in October. But now's a good time to ease your way in, but then to load up in a little bit. So what should I invest in right now? Litecoin and Ethereum, in my opinion. Aren't there larger possible gains in altcoins instead of Bitcoins? Yeah, but you're not going to be able to time the peak. Those are the I like a little bit of safety. I mean, this is already super volatile as it is. When's this cycle ending? Early next year? Yeah, early next year, in my opinion. Everardo, thank you so much. I've done nothing but listen to you, and I've made nothing but money. Thank you so much. Besides Coinbase, which platform can I use to buy altcoins? I like Voyager. Use my referral code ALE749. ALE749. You get $25 of free Bitcoin, and you'll skip the waiting list. Big John, that's a very good comment. Maybe I need to rethink that. Below the 200-day moving average, that's important too. So maybe this is it, you know? Maybe this is it. So maybe we'll go higher. All right, how much Litecoin do I own? Not enough. I own maybe like 30 or something like that. Do I think it's a good time to get BNB? Yeah, I do. When's this cycle end? Yeah, answer that. Let's see, I answered that. Do you think time to get, all right. Greeting on YouTube. Also, thank you, Zane. Thank you so much. Bitcoin 150K end of cycle. I think that's likely. Yeah. Well, ETH will not dip to 1,700. No. And again, for those of you on TikTok, I'm live on YouTube. Look up World War Bitcoin on YouTube. I will answer every question there. There's no way I can answer every question on TikTok. There's 350 people in here right now. So, and follow me on Twitter, by the way, too, WW Bitcoin. No worries, Zane, about the caps. XRP prediction after the price settles, I think it'll go back to its all-time high pretty easily. But I'm thinking $8 to $10 this cycle. So how much will it go up before another drop? I don't know. I mean, we're hovering around 47,000. So buy Litecoin, yeah. Oh, Zane. Okay, ZK Pablo. Hey, William. Great to see you. What price do you take profits on cake? 3 figures. I'm not selling any of my cake anytime soon. Ethereum price prediction end of the year with end of cycle, because it could happen in 2022, $15,000. Why buy Litecoin? I've been talking about Litecoin a lot. Check out my TikTok. I made a video on Litecoin a few weeks ago. I think it's going to outperform Bitcoin tremendously. I don't think we're going to see Bitcoin in 30s again. I see that question there. Bull trap, I don't think so. Hey, what's up, 8eng? Nobody panic, stay patient. Yep, ups and downs happen. Did you already buy back your ETH? I bought like 1,000 back. I tried buying, when I saw Bitcoin at $43,000, I tried getting into BlockFi and buying more of the ETH that I sold, and it was frozen. So, of course. Litecoin price target like 1,500, 2,000 or so. I called it, yep. Glad I saved money for that dip. You're welcome. How often can you move coin? How long does it take to move? I'm not sure what you mean. I mean, you could buy and sell at any time. Doge prediction's like $1. Dent prediction, I don't have one. Transfer my Chainlink to Litecoin, and I'm holding Quant. Cool. You know, Chainlink is a slow mover, but Litecoin will pump. So, any microcaps for now? Ooh, I don't really pay much attention to microcaps. IOs is a good one though. I see that question there. Quant or Litecoin? Honestly, right now I would say Litecoin. Some of you are going to crucify me for that. Thoughts on ZIL and HBAR? I like Zilliqa. I mean, I'm thinking like $1 to $1.50 for Zilliqa. I see way too many aggressive predictions, but I'm thinking like $2 for HBAR. Buy Solana now or wait? Just, man, Solana seems unaffected. It's like maybe you just buy, get in, you know? Do you think after the 12th with ADA, it's great news, will go up? No, I mean, ADA seems to not be pumping because of the hype with the 12th. So I just think it's going to be a normal day. So thoughts on Polygon Matic? I think it's going to $8 this cycle. Algorand to $7. On the lookout for any Cardano dApps? Not really, no. Sold all my holding, and how many parts should I start buying? And you sold all of it? Oh my goodness, that's crazy, man. ZK, thank you for those gifts. I would say start buying now. If you sold all of it, that's wild. HBAR prediction $2, XRP $8 to $10, VXV. I still haven't had an opportunity to look up VXV. So thoughts on Hex? I see that question. Is Hex a scam? Like their website is so shady. Like all the stuff that they say, all the questions, read their Q&A. But I mean, I have a lot. I put $500 into Hex in December before I even realized that it might be a scam. And now it's like, I've turned that $500 into 16,000 or something like that. So let's see, invest in XRP before the SEC lawsuit. Absolutely. Yeah. You think there's a bigger dip than this coming soon? I'm not sure. Somebody mentioned something about the 200-day moving average. I think it's important that we hold above the 200-day moving average. Maybe that was just a one-time thing. So Voyager code, yeah, ALE749. ALE749. You get $25 of free Bitcoin and you skip the waiting list. So sign up for Voyager. That's my favorite platform. Link prediction, $200. Yeah, Crypto Weatherman covers VXV pretty well. I am in Crow. I don't know anything about Rocket Lab. I'm in Crow. I like Crow a lot. Is it possible to 10x on Litecoin end of the year? Absolutely. I think it will. So let's see. KCS KuCoin. KuCoin is it's a great platform. And unfortunately, I don't use it just because I'm maxed out with platforms. So any platform coin I like a lot. So Binance, KuCoin, what was the other one? Crypto.com. I mean, obviously Ethereum and Solana. So any other you think will outperform Bitcoin? I think most of them will on the way up. But are you going to be able to time that peak? Are you going to get greedy? That's the question. So VeChain to $1. Started with 10K, sold on 15K. All right, cool, man. I'm glad you're making money. I did the same on September 1st. My mentor said I should have kept at least half to stay in the wave. Yeah, you know what? Don't sell all of it. That's the thing that I'm saying. Don't sell everything. So did I keep my safe mood? I did, unfortunately. Solana versus Litecoin now. Oh my goodness. Solana is just too hot, man. It's like I think Litecoin is going to 10x from here. There's no way Solana is 10xing from here. $1,800 Solana, that's insane. So I'm going to say Litecoin. Any thoughts on vector space? No, I still need to do more research on that. Thoughts on Theta, worth the current price? Yes. Yeah, I think it's going to $50. Litecoin prediction at least 1,500. XLM, $2 to $3. Polkadot's great. At least it's all-time high. It's at least going to its all-time high at $60. But I think it'll go higher. Yeah, Plan B. That's a great point, Bowman. 10,000. Plan B. His dollar amount for the end of this month is $43,000. Now all we have to do is close above that. So maybe we could close at $53,000 and be fine. But remember that, Plan B. His dollar amount for the end of this month was $43,000 for Bitcoin. And so maybe we'll close a little above $43,000. That's all I care about right now. That is all I care about. That Bitcoin closes above $43,000. Quant will 3x from here? Yeah, I think so. Standard Chartered thinks ETH is hitting 35K. It's within the realm of possibility, honestly, Scott. I hate to say that because people are going to call me a moon boy. I am so unbelievably bullish on Ethereum. I am so bullish on Ethereum. And for those of you on TikTok, again, there's no way I can respond to, yes, I think Litecoin will hit $1,500. There's no way I can respond to every question on TikTok. But I'm live on YouTube. Head over to my YouTube channel. Follow me on YouTube. Follow me on Twitter as well, WWBitcoin. So what do you mean 1,500? When do you mean 1,500 for Litecoin? At the very end, it's going to shoot up like that. Are you agree with CVO crypto seeing XRP $34 to $40? I don't, but I trust his judgment more than I trust mine with XRP. I've been saying $8 to $10, but he's very confident about XRP to $30 to $40. What do I think about ICP? I hate internet computer with the heat of 1,000 suns. With that being said, I made a video on it last week, and I think it has a lot of potential to go higher. So What's my reason for Litecoin pumping at the end of the cycle? Just watch my TikTok I made a couple weeks ago about Litecoin. So I hate ICP. I have not mentioned Shiba. I'm not a fan of Shiba. And I'm actually a little nervous because I own some Shiba, I own some Safe Moon, I own some Safe Mars. I own a little bit of all of those, and they're doing nothing. They're doing nothing. No, Butthole Infinite, please just check out my video, honestly. I hate ICP because they rug pulled really hard, and they did some vesting stuff. They had a vesting schedule for people who got airdropped a couple years ago, and they didn't allow those people to sell so that they could rug pull. So should I buy XRP now before the case ends? I think so. Yeah. Is this a dip or something bigger? It's a dip. We're going higher. We're going to reach all-time high in October. I'm very confident of that for Bitcoin. I am very confident about that for Bitcoin. That October we will see an all-time high. Solana will 5x from here. I don't think so, no. I mean, it could happen, but should I buy now? I think you should buy a little bit now, but I could see it going a little bit lower. If you had $3,000 to invest in crypto, where would you put it? Mostly in Ethereum and in Litecoin short term. So how many experts on TikTok saw this dip coming? Me and Crypto Weatherman. I don't know who else. Hey, I see that question, Vic NYC. I mean, I think it's going to go higher. I think it'll go a much higher. So what the best altcoins to invest in currently? I'm a pretty boring guy when it comes to that. I think Ethereum and I think Litecoin. So price for November Litecoin, I have no idea. Higher. So just wondering why you're bullish on ETH when gas fees are high and the problems in the NFT world when you compare it with Solana, for example. It's the tokenomics. Like you got to understand EIP 3675. EIP 3675. Look it up. They're doing away with mining forever, and they're going into proof of stake, which will cut their production by a tenth. So, instead of 12,800 ETH being mined a day, it's going to be 1,280 ETH for staking rewards. It's insane. It is going to cause a supply crunch like crazy. So, all right, top 3 altcoin value right now: Litecoin, Link, Ethereum, Polkadot be a good one. Yeah, I like Polkadot a lot. I think it's going to $200 this cycle. You think this is the only dip for the day or potential lower? For today, I think this is the only dip. Yeah, I don't think we're going to go lower today, but we'll see about the rest of the week. So, have I mentioned Doge and BTT? I'm not a fan of either of those, but they'll go higher. Would you buy Riot now? Ooh, yeah. Yes, I would. Should I buy now? You should buy some now. If Bitcoin runs properly, alts will suffer. Not necessarily. So, any info on Everrise? No. Please release course before bear market. I'll try. If Litecoin is going to 10x, microcaps can 50x. Yeah, maybe. But it's going to be very quick, Tiago. You're not going to be able to get 50x if microcaps 50x. So, what date is the video on Litecoin? Looking for it on your TikTok. Let me head over to TikTok and see. Litecoin. There we go. A case for Litecoin, ... Seriously, August 26th. So, let's see. Definitely don't sell more right now. Don't sell. Even if there might be more dip. Just keep what you have. Yeah. Is it me or I can't hear? Other people can hear me. Typhon, sorry. What date is the video? Yeah, I answered that. Sounds crisp. Thank you. What date? Okay, I answered that. Please stop spamming. I hear him like he's using a laptop's microphone. I don't know what the problem is. I'm using, a regular microphone. Do you think Solana will hit 500? It could. Yeah, it definitely could. So, for those of you on TikTok, I'm live on YouTube right now. Head on over to YouTube if you really want your question answered. There's no way I can keep up with the chat on TikTok, but on YouTube I can. So, and follow me on Twitter, WWBitcoin. Thoughts on VeChain? What was that? EIP, Ethereum Improvement Protocol, EIP. So, voice is lagging by 1 to 2 seconds. Sorry, I can't. Yeah, Alex, greater than Pablo, definitely. I am. Thoughts on VET? $1. You're welcome, Gabriel. Buy now or wait for a dip this week. Buy a little bit now. Buy a little bit now, and buy some later. So, price prediction on Phantom. Let me see. FTX, right? Or is that FTM? I always get no, not FTX. Sorry. I don't have one. Phantom. Let's see, $1.64. I really don't know. I mean, if Bitcoin's going to 4x from here, which in my opinion it will, then I will. You know, hey Jimmy, I'm trying to answer some questions on TikTok, so let me. Yeah, but on YouTube I'm able to answer them much easier. So, SR Erdman, awesome. Bought more of the dips. Voyager was slow to process the orders. Not surprised. Are you personally investing in XRP? That's my fourth biggest holding. I have about $17,000 worth of XRP, maybe lower, maybe less now. So anyway, which stock to buy today? I'm not talking about stocks, but buy some Ethereum, buy some Litecoin. When do you think XRP will shoot to $8 this year? At the very end of the run, maybe early 2021. Bought some XLM and Litecoin for the first time. Yeah, I think that's a great idea, Noxy. Oh man, shoot, I forgot to respond to your message on TikTok. Sorry about that. Should I spend 4K on Litecoin or ADA? I would say Litecoin. Do I hold any NFTs? I have two NFTs. They have both decreased in value, so I'm not doing all that great right now. So price prediction for VET end of the cycle $1. Thoughts on Tron? I am not a fan of Tron. Anything that Justin Sun has touched, I'm just not. I don't want to deal with that. Tron, BTT, he rug pulled Tron. Bought some XLM and Litecoin. Yeah, I think that's a good idea. What about UltraSafe? Don't know. Is Binance still safe? I think your money is safe on Binance. Is it a bull market or bear market? It's a bull market. Which coin to buy today? Ethereum and Litecoin. So VXV don't know enough. Thoughts on Nano? How much quant do I got? Not enough. I think like 12 or something. Definitely not enough. Thoughts on Nano and Tron? Nano, I don't think I'm not expecting much from Nano. They keep underperforming. Tron, yeah, I already answered that. Do you think in the year prices will be lower than right now? No, I don't. But I think they'll be heading lower. So it already is 2021. Do you mean 2022? Yeah, I think whatever I said, the bull run could end in early 2022. ETH 2 years price, that's very hard to predict because that might be when we see the ramifications of EIP 3675. So ETH could be much higher in 2023. In the middle of what should be the bear market, ETH could go much higher. Best trading platform. I don't do quant predictions. Quant's a beast. Quant does what quant does. But Voyager is my favorite platform. Use my referral code ALE749. You'll get $25 of free Bitcoin, and you'll skip the waiting list. Do I think this dip will continue? We could see a double bottom, but I don't think we're going into the 30s, if that's what you're going to ask. Neo and EOS, I really don't like either of those all that much. I don't own any. I just don't think they're going to perform all that well in comparison to other altcoins. So what would be the best way to start learning crypto? Start with Bitcoin. Study about Bitcoin. Understand what Bitcoin is. Understand the halving cycles. And then head over. Go to Ethereum. Just, here's a suggestion for all of you. Listen to me. Here's a suggestion. Go to coinmarketcap.com and read the descriptions of all the top 100 cryptos, and if you do that, you'll get a good base. So, user 158 free 25 that you mentioned. Where is the link? All right, yeah, go to worldwarbitcoin.info. You can see it right behind me there. Go to worldwarbitcoin.info and look for the referral link to Voyager. So ADA end of cycle prediction like $8. Crypto Weatherman NFTs. I don't know about that. So Conflux, I don't know what that is. Double dare you to look at UltraSafe. Okay, yeah. Crypto Weatherman really likes VXV. I've heard that, yeah. I've seen his videos about that. Buying Litecoin right now and shift to XRP by end of the year. Sounds like a plan. That might work. That might work for you. Yeah. Crypto Weatherman. Yeah, I saw that. Okay. What overall market cap do you think we could reach near the end? Like 10 trillion. honestly, 10 trillion. So Solana, Link, Dot, if you were to pick one, Solana, easy. Is it a great time to buy in altcoins? It's a pretty good time, for sure. So, but I do think it could go lower. Why Bitcoin crashed to 47K? What's a double bottom? It means like, all right, we went to 43K today for Bitcoin. I could see us going to around 43K again. Pink Panda is a small market cap. Okay. Think about contracts. Luna to 100. Screen so red. Chase, that's a great comment. Just about 5K worth of Litecoin. Okay, you know, I mean, I would say spread it out a little bit, but I think you'll do well. Do you think R will head up anytime soon? Pirate Chain, yeah, I think so. Main recommendation is just hold for now. Yes, it is. I do not have a discount code for Ledger, sorry. What's for lunch? I don't know. Bowls are for lunch, apparently. So was that Smiles? Did I see Smiles here? Nope, never mind. Good, not yo mama. Cardano, 5-year, 10-year price. Ah, man, I don't know, man. Mini Cardano, never heard of it. Swap Solana for Litecoin. Ah, man, maybe a little bit, but I just love Solana so much. Listen, I don't like Litecoin. But I'm just looking at the numbers, you know, looking at the charts. So I think it's going to go up. Any in between Link and Dot, Link. Let's see, Ruben, you have a clone on TikTok. Yeah, I have tons of clones on TikTok. I block them as soon as I can. This dip will last for about 2 weeks. You might be right about that, Dr. Green Thumb. Is it bad to buy half through Webull for trading or half through exchanges to hold long term? I would buy through exchanges. So no Duncan Sampson, but good to see you, man. Do you stake your Bitcoin and ETH? I hold it on like BlockFi and Voyager. I get referral. I get some rewards for that. All right, Ultra Safe. There's going to start their own protocol. All right, opinions on Pablo. I don't like Pablo. I've been very clear about that. Are most of your assets into crypto or stocks? 90% in crypto. Alpha Finance Lab. I don't know what that is. I have about $250 left to invest. Bought some Litecoin and XLM. Should I hold that money in case of a double bottom? Yeah. If it's only $250, hold on to it, Noxy. AVAX predictions. Definitely higher. Let's see. AVAX, $40.75 right now. I mean, 3 figures easy, but I'm not sure after that. What would be a conservative time frame to exit XRP? So I'm not caught holding back through the bear market. Take profits often. I mean, you know, well, here's the deal. If the SEC suit doesn't end before all the craziness happens, maybe just hold on to it. But you should definitely take profits. Definitely take profits. So just do it often, you know. Don't get greedy. I already have two ETH, 8,000 of ADA, and 5,000 of Litecoin. What other coin should I get? Oh, man. Chainlink, HBAR. I mean, I would recommend Bitcoin, but no one wants Bitcoin. But I hate a lot of Binance Smart tokens. Okay. Anything in the month of September that would indicate more of a dip? Who knows? Maybe, you know, maybe the Federal Reserve meeting on I think it's the 22nd. Maybe they'll talk about tapering, but I don't know. I don't know if that's going to happen. So, hey, and again, for those of you on TikTok, I'm live on YouTube. There's no way I can answer every question on TikTok. But head to World War Bitcoin on YouTube and ask your question there. How often should you stake? How often? What do you mean? I'm not sure what you mean, but regularly. So would you scrap Pablo? I don't know. Does he know Kung Fu? I'd be a little nervous about that. People need to know about honeypot and rug pulls. Okay. Dot 300 end of cycle. It's possible. I don't think so, though. Got 500 today's dip. Missed the bottom of the dip. What should I do for today? How about $200? Put $200 in right now. Let's see. Conflux says the only regulatory compliant public permissionless blockchain in China. Sambo, making money off Litecoin means you aren't discriminatory even if you don't like Litecoin. Thank you, Sambo. First time I can make it into a live. Just want to say thank you. Thank you, Red Zeb. Thank you so much. When do you expect this dip to end at 43K? The 20-week simple moving average is that to me would be the bottom. I think that the very bottom, which is at $42,000, that we would bounce off that. I don't think we're going to the 30s. So HBAR legitimate, absolutely. Do DCA into crypto? Yes. What do you think is the optimal way to invest in crypto? Buy every dip? I would just say buy every day, you know, buy a little bit every day. Yeah, no problem. Streezy, no worries. Top 3 holdings: Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Cake. Not in that order. It's Ethereum is my biggest holding, Bitcoin is second, and Cake is my third. What's Solana's highest target? Who knows, man? So, you know, when Solana was $20, I predicted that Solana would go to $200 this cycle. Right now, I'm looking at a $183 Solana. And so is it only going to go to $200? I very highly doubt that. Have 10K VET when it peaks, $1. Should I sell all or invest in ETH? I think you should sell all your VET at the end. Yeah. Yeah, thank you again. Oh, man, I'm way behind. Red Zeb. Hey, Portuguese brother. There we go. Falas Português. I also hold SafeMoon Chip and others. Oh, man. They are not that old, especially SafeMoon at one point time ago. Bitcoin, Ethereum was small as well. HODL for now with me. Fine. Yeah. Theta prediction, $50. Link prediction, $200. XDC price prediction. I think XDC will outperform XLM and it will outperform XRP. I don't have a price prediction though. Taper for sure won't happen for 3 to 6 months. I think I agree with you with that Typhon. Thoughts on EOS and Ocean? Not a huge fan of EOS. Ocean, I don't know a ton about Ocean, honestly. I set a very low limit order to buy for Ocean, and it filled, and I did that without really knowing all that much, so sorry. Give top 5 to buy and hold until the end of the cycle. Ethereum, I mean, I'm going to say Bitcoin. I'm just going to say Bitcoin, sorry. Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, Litecoin, and, oh, man, Internet Computer. I hate to say that. That hurts. Thoughts on Hex? I'm not a fan of Hex. Or, sorry, no. I'm nervous about Hex. That's what I meant to say. I'm nervous about Hex. Not too bad to enter Cake now. I think it's a good time to enter Cake, yeah. But I've made a lot of money on Hex because I didn't know it was a scam when I bought in. 200 in today. Focus on Solana, HBAR, or Litecoin. I would focus more on HBAR and Litecoin. XDC, I don't know. Oh, man, where am I? Wow, I'm so far behind. I'm sorry about that. Wouldn't mind going in the 30s. No, it's not. I don't think it's going in the 30s. Sorry if I missed your question. I'm on Hayden Hodges. What price do you think Hollow will reach by the end of the run? 10, between 10 and 20x. Thank you, Trops Repus. And again, for those of you on TikTok, I'm live on YouTube. There's no way I can keep up with the chat on TikTok. So follow me on YouTube. Follow me on Twitter. WWBitcoin. Is 43K Bitcoin a good but not crazy target for this dip? Maybe. It's possible, yeah. What point do you pull profits, leaving an initial investment and stake the profits? If I see a 3x, that's when I tend to do that. So Solana can go high but take time. Yeah, sell 10K VET at the peak. Yes, I answered that. VET target $1. But yeah, I think it's going to $1. Good vibes, all love, much blessings. Thank you, Jose. Good idea to buy more Litecoin now or wait. Buy a little bit now, but don't go all in right now. So XRP price end of the month. Some are saying $4. No, absolutely not. So comments on TikTok literally useless. Yeah, I've been telling people head on over to YouTube. Sorry, it's way too hard for me to keep up with all the comments on TikTok. So bought some ETH and Bitcoin. Excellent. Yeah, I'm Portuguese. Yep. Hear feedback. Sorry. Heard the feedback. Okay. Wow, I'm so far behind. Oh my goodness. Do you think it will even be possible to sell your XRP when / if it shoots up? Yeah, why not? Thoughts on BAT? I'm not a believer in the Brave browser. I tried it out, just it didn't stick for me. VET price prediction $1. Heard feedback. Oh yeah, okay, answer that. What altcoin you're buying most of this month? Litecoin. Yeah, if you're just now getting in, I would stick to Bitcoin and Ethereum. Will you hold a percentage of all your altcoins past the altcoin season? No, I'm not. WTF is heck? I don't know. I don't know what you're saying. Price prediction for Litecoin, I think at least 1,500. So would you close out all in Webull and rebuy through exchanges? No, if you bought in Webull, hey, what's up, Lex? Yeah, nice flash crash there. If you bought on Webull, I would say just hold it there. and on Robinhood too, just don't buy. Oh, you think he meant Hex? Okay, don't buy any more on Webull or on Robinhood. So, can you turn crypto into real cash? Sure, yeah. Aim price for Litecoin. How much will Litecoin give percentage-wise? I think it's going to 10x. Thank you, E. Davidson. Yeah, like my video. Follow me on YouTube, on Twitter, all that stuff. Scooped up some DOT, almost down 35% or so. Yeah, hold on to it. Ultra Safe. I don't know enough about Ultra Safe. XRP price, end of the month. I answered that. Chainlink or VChain? Chainlink, but I like them both. Sell Bitcoin, get GME. Not yet. Not yet. So, Sevens NFT, I don't know what that is. Which one will 10x? Litecoin, but then also Hollowcoin as well. Is Bitcoin going to the 40s? It's at 47,000 right now. I don't think it's going into 30s. One price prediction is not on my radar, but higher. How can you predict stuff like Solana happening? Is it literally luck, or did people call the $1 to $180 move? Noxy, the big thing that I would say that Solana benefited from was NFTs. You know, the Solana NFT platform grew big time. And so that's what, people needed to buy Solana to get in on that. So, yeah. When do you think it will drop again? I don't know. Let's see how the rest of this week plays out. I mean, I could see it bleeding back down to that $43,000 range. So what to put my $1,000, not going to hold you to it. Ethereum and Litecoin, Captain Miles. You have to look at the big Solana NFT releases, yeah. Opinion on XRP, higher, sorry. $8 to $10. It'll pump after the SEC suit is over. Let's see, what altcoin are you buying the most this month? Litecoin. I hate Scammer. Wish they did something about those guys. Yeah. What's the bottom of this pullback? Maybe a double bottom, or maybe we'll stay above the 200-day moving average. So, why are people in El Salvador protesting Bitcoin? Because they don't understand it. They're nervous that it's volatile, And how many people in El Salvador are actually protesting Bitcoin? You see a protest of like a few thousand people or a few hundred people. That doesn't mean that everyone in El Salvador is protesting it. Polygon, $8. Is Quant a good buy? I would say Quant's a good buy, yes. But $1 of Bitcoin, when will I have $1 million? I hate to say it, but never. Chainlink or VChain? Chainlink. Thoughts on Blockchain Boy? I love Blockchain Boy. Blockchain Boy's the man. I mean, he's way into NFTs right now, and I would say that's similar to meme coin season. So, thanks, you're on it. Have so many questions. Yeah, and if you want your question answered, hop on over to YouTube. So, yeah, does Cake count as an altcoin that I would sell after altcoin season? Yes, it does, Nix. And then I'm going to look to get heavily into Cake during the bear market. So, do you expect the market to fall further? I could see a double bottom, yeah. Thoughts on Anchor? Anchor is going to exist for a long time, so I'm super bullish on it long term, but I don't have any price predictions. And again, for those of you on TikTok, I'm live on YouTube. There's 250 of you in TikTok. I can't answer all of your questions, but I can on YouTube, so hop on over there. NFT still jamming for you. That's awesome, Technically Fundamental. I should have listened to you. So is the rest of September going to be bad? I think it's going to be rough, yeah. So, do you pay taxes for spending crypto on real life stuff? Yep. At least it depends on what country you're in. Litecoin 10x, whether coins, Hollow will 10x in my opinion. I think a lot of cryptos will 10x, a lot of the micro caps. Thoughts on WaxP? I have no idea what WaxP is. If I should drop 30K into Litecoin, hope for 10x. Loaded in Quant, have ETH. Man, 30K into Litecoin, that's a lot, but I think you'll do well. When Bitcoin 20s, never again. 900 into Litecoin, too little. It depends on your capacity. So it's a good... I disagree with BitBoy Crypto. He says that Bitcoin's going to peak on like September 21st. I think September is going to be a rough month. So I see that question there. No stress, bro. Crypto holders take time. Yeah, when oh my goodness, I'm so far behind on YouTube even. When do you know when the altcoin season or bull run is over? Just when you see it pump. When you see it pump. So if you only have 3 coins, what would they be? Bitcoin, Ethereum. Oh, only altcoins. Okay. I'm going to count Ethereum. Quant, and Solana. How about that? Get Litecoin or Quant. Man, you're going to kill me. I'd say Litecoin. Altura seems very interesting. All right, Altura, I'll check that out. I nailed it. Thank you. Thank you, Ken. You should take the day off and enjoy it with your family. You know, I spend a lot of time with my family. Yeah. Why are all my coins dropping? Cool strides. Watch my 2 most recent TikToks. ADA top pre. I think ADA is going to go to $8 or so. Should I buy Litecoin or Quant for short-term? Litecoin. Do you still have your NFT? It's not going that well for me, but I dipped my toes in. Didn't do any research, but I'll do more research on that. So good time to sell Hex. I'm staking my X till 2025, unfortunately, but I would be dumping that so hard right now. Solana, 2x my money in a week. Excellent. Is Cake Pancake? Yeah, Pancake. Yep. Thoughts on the ADA FUD price prediction? I'm not worried about ADA FUD. $8. $30K for the bounce back. Where does it go? Can't say Bitcoin or Ethereum. Litecoin. Litecoin, Polkadot, Chainlink, XRP, Cardano. Will you hold any altcoins past the altcoin season? I'll hold my Ethereum. I'll hold most of my Ethereum, some of my Binance, some of my Chainlink, and most of my HBAR. Polygon price like $8 or so. Thank you for those roses. Also, is a double bottom bearish? No, that's pretty normal. Thoughts on Constellation? Don't know enough. Hey, King Kush, what's up, man? Good to see you. Where's the double bottom? 42K, maybe around there, maybe 43K. XRP, I like XRP. Yeah, Phantom's hanging in there. I see that. Yep. I have 10K. Should I buy Litecoin or Quant? Yeah, I answered that. Favorite wallet? MetaMask and Trust Wallet. I like them both. So, Litecoin short-term price target? I have no idea. Sorry. Oh, my goodness. I'm so far behind, even on YouTube. And again, for those of you on TikTok, I'm live on YouTube. Hop on over there. AXS price prediction, I don't know, but gaming makes sense, you know? Gaming makes sense for NFTs. So Axie will do well. After the bull market has ended, what would you do? Just stake stable coins, and then slowly DCA my way back into crypto. Yep. Will you sell all your XRP at the end of altcoin season? Yes, I will. Thoughts on ERG? Don't know enough. Litecoin short-term target, I really don't know. I'm sorry. But I just think it's going to outperform Bitcoin pretty heavily. Thank you, Infinite Galaxy 8. I really appreciate that. Thank you for subscribing to my YouTube channel. $1,000, which I'd invest in Ethereum and Litecoin. Missed your answer. End of month XRP prediction. I don't really have one. Maybe where it is right now, maybe a little higher. C98, I don't know anything about C98, unfortunately. Will I stake cake after the run? No, I'm going to sell all my cake, and then I'm going to look to buy in very quickly and stake it again. So do you think NFT games and NFTs will fall as well? Yes, they will, Mark. Remember the days when there were only 20 people in the YouTube chat? Yeah. Why do you think that Litecoin will 10x? You've got to check out the video I made on August 26th on my TikTok about Litecoin. Still sell the news with ADA. I haven't been saying that, so no. I like Polkadot, yes. What if Bitcoin's flash crash to 40K now? I mean, what if it does? What if it goes to zero now? What if it goes to $100,000 now? I don't think we're going to see sub 40K Bitcoin. What is up, Smiles? Why did Bitcoin and ETH crash? Check out my most recent TikTok. A lot of longs got liquidated. That's not in my most recent TikTok, my 2 most recent TikToks, but a lot of longs got liquidated. So is it a good idea to take profits on Quant or not yet? I have no intention of taking profits. It's always a good idea to take some profits, though, but I'm not going to take any. So missed your answer. I answered that already. Okay. Pirate Coin, nothing. Sorry. Open Voyager. Thank you, Get Cloudy. Excellent. Will the market fall further down? It could. I just don't think it's going to 40K. Check out League of the Sacred Devils. No, you know what? Devil anything, I'm just not going to mess around with that. That's a religious thing for me. So, but you know what? I hope it goes well for you, Lee John. Glad to get some DOT today. Excellent. If it doesn't sound like you're bullish on Quant anymore. No, I'm bullish on Quant. Infinite Galaxy, I am bullish on Quant. The thing is that I'm wondering is like how much more is it going to X? But listen, I think Quant is going to hit 5 figures. I think Quant's going to hit 5 figures this decade. So when do you expect a 10x Litecoin, like at the end? Do I still like AMP? Yes, absolutely. Yes. Thoughts on Contentos? I don't know. Did that get listed on Coinbase or something? I've never heard of that up until today. So, yeah, Smiles. I know a lot of people had that same issue. So, you're welcome, Nix. Thank you. Thoughts on Atomic Wallet? I don't use it. Sorry. Gaming and NFTs will bring the retail investors that aren't already here. Yep. The overall, we are still early on crypto. Yes, sir. Yeah, 10x on Litecoin. I mean, I think it'll go up gradually over time. It'll outperform Bitcoin. But like, is ICP worth investing short term? Yeah. HBAR to $2. I see that question. Will Ethereum Classic go back to 140? Yes, I believe so. Thoughts on FTM Phantom? It's not really on my radar. I don't own enough. So let's see. Or I don't own any, I should say. But higher. Days like this, it's nice to not be leverage trading, that's for sure. Highly invested into AXS, the game itself. Have 100 scholars. Should you sell your Axie? I think you should take some profits on that. But it might not be a bad idea to hold because gaming is going to explode with NFTs. Next country that takes Bitcoin, sell the day before. Good point, Aztec. Yeah, I don't have a price prediction for FTM, just higher. Polygon or HBAR. Any other coin similar to Cake to Stake? Not with those returns, no. For like top 50 coins at least. So will we rebound today? I think we're going to be flat the rest of the day. How far will AMP go up? I really think $1. What is Quant's use? Quant has a ton of use. Interoperability, central banks, they give access to central banks for central banks to crypto. I'm not going to get into that right now because I'm way behind. When's the end of altcoin season? Just when you see things go like this, that's the end. Why do you think ICP will do well? NFTs. ICP makes a ton of sense for NFTs. I know that their initial launch didn't go well, but I'm still bullish on ICP. Is Voyager going to become available in more countries? Oh, man, sorry, Kalen. I think so eventually, but I don't know. Exit strategy, will I cash out or stake? I'm cashing out about half of my crypto. So I'm hoping to put $500,000 in stable coins and make $45,000 a year in passive income. Top 5 holdings: Ethereum, Bitcoin, Cake, XRP, and Binance in that order. You totally need to inform yourself on ultra-safe protocol. Yeah, I will eventually. Coinbase versus Coinbase Pro. If you can get Coinbase Pro, definitely Coinbase Pro. If we are early in crypto for all of us in it now, when should we place our money so that all of us benefit by being the early bird in crypto compared to what it could be in a decade if it's massive? Jordan, DCA, I hate to say it with a simple answer. Suitor Yusu? No, I'm not familiar. You've got to just add to your positions every week or every month, something like that. So when's the end of altcoin season, though? Again, boom, you see stuff go like that. I will, follow me. I'll be like, hey, we are near the end. And I'm very confident. Yeah, Pterodactyl, I do hate ICP with the heat of 1,000 suns. But I tend to keep my emotions out of this. So let's see, Theta, $50 or so. Quant makes it so decentralized apps can operate on multiple blockchains at once. There we go. Thank you, Mark. Oh, from the Philippines. I've been to the Philippines. I've been to Cebu and Negros Island. So it took a while to say, okay, maybe I'll get some ICP. Yeah. Just change my name to King Kush. There we go, King Kush. I have heard of SLP, but I just don't really know enough. So near the end on Bitcoin, no. So after this next good run, are we going to have a long bear market? Yes. Well, no, we'll see. Ethereum is bringing is throwing in a wrench here with the so-called bear market. So not filled with retail investors. Yeah, thoughts on AVAX? It's a good platform. I like it. I don't own any, but XRP will reach $5. Yes. Oh, nice, from Negros. I visited an orphanage in Bacolod, Calvary Chapel, Bacolod. Best crypto to stake and where Cake, the Cake token, PancakeSwap.finance. Just hold, yes. Aave, I own Aave. I think Aave to 4 figures. I have not looked at audio. Haven't really looked into sushi. I mean, Sushi Swap, any of those, Uniswap, Sushi Swap, things like that. I'm bullish. So yeah, Smiles, I'm very confident right now. What happened to Bitcoin? Check out my 2 most recent TikToks. FTX staying consistent with an 8% APY on all crypto. Nice. Cool from Bacolod as well. Oh, no, man, that's crazy. Awesome. Very bullish on FTT. Yeah, yeah. Best place to stake USD coin, Voyager, 9%. Sorry, don't know if you said, but you think we'll continue to bull run. Yes, I do. Yep. Bitcoin of 40K, that's the very, very bottom. I don't think we're going to the 30s. Will Litecoin bounce back? Yes. Thoughts about Harmony One? I don't own any, so I'm not really paying attention to the price. I am bullish, but that's just because I'm bullish on most cryptos. So how many cryptos I'm investing in? Like 30. But I'm only going to hold 5 at the end of this run. Bitcoin, Ethereum, Chainlink. Oh, maybe Quant. I forgot to include that. Bitcoin, Ethereum, Chainlink, Quant, Binance, and HBAR. But I'm selling the rest. Thoughts on Nexo as a platform? I don't use it, but it's good. Everything that I've seen about it, it's good. All right, Suitor, I'll try. Smiles. I have a long list of recommendations to look at. Altcoin suggestion, Litecoin. What's up, Pablo Cruz? AXS, bullish on gaming. So AXS for sure. I see FTT going to 1,000. Wow. All right, NFT marketplace as well. Where's FTT right now? FTT is 74. Yeah, I could see that. Thoughts on comp? Don't know enough, sorry. When will you be selling the rest? When things go like this? So are we late to buy the dip? Not necessarily. Buy some now. When do you think this run ends? I think Bitcoin will peak in December. Farm, don't know enough. HBAR is a long-term hold for me. Very bullish on HBAR. Nexo is good, yep. But I think most altcoins will peak in January or something like that. Yeah, I can't wait for October. November or September is going to suck. I've been saying that, yep. So thoughts on comp? Yeah, I don't know enough about comp. News just came out that Steph Curry has linked up with FTX. Nice, all right. Is it too late to get into quant? I don't think so, no. How long have I been in crypto? Since 2013. But I had money to invest, and and unfortunately I went all in. I didn't go like a little bit in crypto, and a lot. Like I started a business, and I'm semi-retired now. The business went well, so I didn't have a ton in crypto in 2013. VeChain to $1, yeah. Got hammered. We did. Yep. Do you think Solana will do a correction again or up bullish? I am blown away that Solana is not struggling right now. So bullish. Chainlink's long-term hold for me. I love Solana. I've been talking about Solana since it was at $20. Which alts do you suggest I purchase? Ethereum and Litecoin. Where does HBAR rank in your portfolio? Probably 7th. Still like AMP. Yes, I love AMP. FTX on Miami Heat Arena outside. Excellent. Bitcoin peak in December, January for alts. That's my opinion now. I used to say November to May, but now I say, yeah, December or so. Maskin, you lost how did you lose all your money? Lex, I have a grocery distribution business. I mean, it's simple, man. Just buy and hold. You shouldn't have lost all your money. Oh, man, yeah, Smiles, I see you. Best alts for most gain before bear, Litecoin, lots of them. Bad to hold ETH for 5 to 10 years or longer. No, that's good. That's very good. Cesar, I think you have to put $100 down before you get the $25. Or if you did that already, it takes a little bit. So Hollow 10x, yes. HBAR price prediction like $2. Do you recommend going in on XRP? Yes, definitely. I don't do predictions on quant. Thank you, cool stuff on the web. I just think quant does what quant does. That's my favorite saying. Quant's a beast. It's the honey badger. It does what it does. And I'm along for the ride. So learning the dollar cost average ETH into good NFT projects. Yeah. GRT, I don't know enough. XRP to 539. Isn't it 589? I don't think it's going to 589 anytime soon. I don't do NFT trading. Okay, good, Maskin. You scared me for a second. Check out Crypto Dads. They mint today. Okay, Crypto Dads, I'll check that out. Thinking of selling my Theta and VET for HBAR. If you don't have any HBAR, yeah, sure. How low do you think ETH will go during the bear market? We'll see, man. Thank you, Water Dragon. Is Solana overrated? No, it's not overrated. VXV don't know enough. ETH during the bear market. So listen, I think ETH will peak out around $15,000, and then maybe it'll go down to $5,000. But then their mining is going to get cut big time, or sorry, no more mining. Their production is going to get cut big time. There's going to be a major supply shock. And so if it goes down to like $5,000, I could see it going well above $15,000 in 2022, 2023, something like that. So when everything drops next year, do you think it'll drop to current prices higher or lower? A little bit higher, Jamie. Why would you sell XRP at the end of the cycle if it wins SEC lawsuit? I'm not a part of the XRP army. It lost like 95% of its value from the peak to the bear market bottom in 2018. I'm gonna sell. So Theta good, yes, I love Theta. Top 3 buys today, Nicole, Ethereum and Litecoin. That's really it, because I'm mostly in right now. Do you see Litecoin going lower before it spikes again? I could see it going a little lower, yeah. Just bought more Luna. Okay, HBAR and BXV, nice. Where do you see Bitcoin dip max on the next bear market? It's very predictable with Bitcoin. And I'm not going to give you a number, but pay attention to the 200-week moving average. So where will the 200-week moving average be a year after the peak? It might be at like $50,000 or something like that. And if that's the case, then I think Bitcoin will bounce off of it and then shoot higher. So planning to stack up ETH, Solana, Luna, and HBAR during the bear? Yeah, oh yeah, definitely. And Quant for sure, and Cake. Matic Prediction, $8. I don't do any leverage trading, Nick, no. Keep Network and CBC, I don't know anything about those, sorry. Yeah, you should add an Algorand to your bag. Yeah, I like it a lot, $7 a cycle. Where do you go to learn about crypto? Man, YouTube. I mean, you could read books, but books get antiquated very quickly. So YouTube and Twitter, basically. Why buy Litecoin right now? Check out my video, my TikTok from August 26th. What's up? Hey, blockchain boy. What's up, man? Much love to you. NFTs, man. I know you're killing it with your NFTs. I'm a little jealous, but, you know, keep up the good work. So you think more buying opportunities in September? Yeah, I do. See you later, Smiles. Price prediction for Ether by December. It could be early 2022, but $15,000. About to buy the dip. There we go. Hey, blockchain boy. What's up, crypto hustler? Blockchain boy's buying the dip. So if you do what the blockchain boy does, generally you'll do well. So you saying this isn't the last dip? I think September is going to be a rough month. So I've been saying that since June, that I thought September would be a rough month. Crypto hustler buying the dip. There we go. All right, blockchain boy. Don't understand Bitcoin. I'll do the learn. Yeah. Is this the dip for me? I would buy some now, Steven. Yes, I would buy some. I see you're saying that prices during bear will be a little higher than today's prices, but doesn't it drop 80 to 90% during the bear? It just depends. You know, where are we going to peak? I think we're going to peak at $200,000 for Bitcoin. Would you take profit on ETH at the peak or just hold? I'm going to sell like 10% of my ETH at the peak. If I can time the peak well, you know. What are you saying about HBAR? It's a long-term hold for me. Am I selling or hodl? Hodl, definitely. More Bitcoin correction coming. It could, but I don't think we're going to the 40s. I think 200-week moving average, or sorry, 20-week simple moving average. It'll bounce off of there. So, yeah. I don't dollar cost. 20-week simple moving average at $42,000. That's the very bottom in my opinion. So let's see. What should you hold during the bear market? Only so we can write it down and not forget. Bitcoin, Ethereum, Binance, Chainlink, HBAR, and Quant. HBAR or XDC, I'd say HBAR. Game plan for the end of the bull run. Selling or holding all the way. I'm selling most of my altcoins, but not Bitcoin, Ethereum, Binance, Chainlink, and HBAR. So yeah, Twitter's great for quick information. Saved much money. Almost got caught in the drop. Can I go 70% on ETH? I think that's a great idea. That's a great idea, ZK. So, El Puno, I see that. Something funky about the left versus right audio. Yeah, I can't mess with that. I'm sorry. How much would you invest in VET, ADA, and XLM? Maybe like 5% of each. 5% of your portfolio into each. Erica, I love you too. Is Bitcoin going to move back around 42, 44K? It's definitely possible. Possibly a double bottom. Find the deer. That happens very often. So Cool stuff on the web. Hopes we keep dipping. I hope we just bounce, but I could see us dipping. Yeah. You think $1 for vet this year is reachable? It's possible, man. Things just pump at the end so much. So what would you do with 1,500? I'm a long-term holder. Ethereum. If you're a long-term Ethereum, will you be selling Solana at the bull run and why? Yeah, I will. But man, that's a dangerous game to play because I think Solana is going to be 4 figures easy. When Solana was $20, I would be saying that Solana will be where Ethereum is now 4 years from now. So should I drop some on XRP HBAR for short-term Litecoin? Yeah, sure. Sorry. So it's one of those things. There's so many winners right now, you know. You think it's going much lower in September? Not that much lower, no, Toasted Monkeys. You think ETH will drop to 1,500 during the bear? No, I said 5,000. Randomly had a limit order for 1 ETH right at 3K. Nice, Weston, there we go. After you take profits, do you wait for a dip to reinvest them? Right now, oh, so excuse me, Kalen, right now, anytime I'm taking profits, anytime I'm taking profits, I am putting it into stable coins for the rest of the run. Yeah, the crypto whale, he's a scrub. What did I score on my ACT and SAT? I didn't take the ACT. I didn't prepare at all for my SAT and got 1,200. But then I prepared and got a 1,400. So once you sell everything apart from the main ones you listed before we entered the bear market, where to from there during that time till we hit the bull again? It's different for every coin, Jordan. It's going to take about a year for Bitcoin to start going up again. But after that, like Ethereum's just going to be its entirely different thing because of a lot of things I've been saying. But most altcoins, I think, are going to be flat until 2024. So everyone is panicking. I'm not. Should we buy more at this dip? Yes. Buy a little now, but my guess is that we'll dip a little bit more. Did Pablo make a video and is he saying the 20s again? Oh my goodness, Pablo. What a scrub. Pablo, if you're listening, you're a scrub. Crypto whale makes the most noise during correction. Yep. Would you buy $200 monthly or 50 weekly? 50 weekly. Voyager code ALE749. ALE749. I'm going to type that in here on my alt account. Will bear/bull market be same moving forward with all the new institutional adoption? It's not going to be the same, but it's not necessarily because of institutional adoption. So, man, I think my chat's behind. All right. I am about done right now. Pretty exhausted. I will. Aaron, I see you there. Pablo's an actor. He is literally an actor. He was in that Marvel movie, that Shang-Chi Marvel movie. You're welcome, all of you. So follow me on Twitter, WWBitcoin. Follow me on YouTube. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, World War Bitcoin. Follow me on Instagram, World War Bitcoin. I've been in here since 2013. Thank you, Jordan. Thank you so much. Thank you, Technically Fundamental. All right, Achieving Dreams, whatever. Whatever Pablo can say, whatever, you know. ICP dead, no. But would love your support on all those other platforms. So, much love.